How's it going, everybody? Nate here. I'm going to help show you guys how to create a custom game in Overwatch for our season. So, to create a custom game, simply you'll go to play. Then you'll, up here in the top right, you'll click on custom games. So, once you're at this screen, then you will go to create. And here you will have the main lobby for the game creation. So to change the settings, you'll go to settings, and then you will go to import code. So again, go back to settings, and then you'll click on import code. Here in the import code, you will type in the code VXH5C. This is the game lobby code that we will use and will be used across the board. And you can find this code in the rules tab under Idaho esports.gg rules. So again, you'll type in this game code and you'll hit OK. This will automatically change it to be the Idaho Esports Overwatch server settings. Now, in this, you will go to Maps, and here you'll click None. Okay, this will turn off all the maps. And then once you are here, this is how you'll essentially select the map. So you'll click None, and then depending on what the map type is and what the weak map is, that will be you'll choose that. So for this instance, we're going to set this up as if it was week 1. Now in the rules, it stipulates the map order is Control, Hybrid, Flashpoint, Push, Escort. You don't have to worry about changing the game modes in the settings. You just simply have to choose the map. So for week 1, the map will be Oasis. So here you'll see the game type Control, Escort here, Flashpoint, Hybrid, and Push. So we'll be in Control because that is the first game mode that we will be playing. And the map that we are playing is Oasis. So the Oasis map that we can choose is just the default. There are multiple that you can choose from here. It does not stipulate which one it is, and so you'll simply just go on. Here, you'll choose either evening, night, or morning, depending on the specific type. So, for instance, we'll choose evening, and that will be the map that you play. So, then you'll go back. Here you don't have to worry about anything else. If for instance we were to have a banned hero, you would go to hero and you would click their name to turn them off, but Mauga can be enabled, so we'll make sure that gets enabled as well. So all heroes right now are enabled because no one has been recently added to the game. So modes, again, you don't have to worry about changing that. You don't have to worry about anything in the workshop. Lobby, you don't have to worry about anything here, and you don't have to worry about anything with presets. So that's how that will go. You could go back, and if you want, you can always save this as a custom preset for yourself in the event to make that easier, but you don't have to. So again, to set up, you just simply go settings, you go to import code, you type in our code from the rules tab, and you'll just go in there, and then you can go to maps, hit none, and then that will let you select the map. Once round 1 is done, to change the map to what the losing team will want, you simply just go back to settings, go to maps, you'll hit none up here again just to turn off all the maps, and then the next round would be hybrid, so you'll go down to the hybrid section here, and the maps that the teams can choose are under are in the rules. So they can choose either Eichenwald, Kings Row, Midtown, or Numbani. So again, that's how you set up a custom game, and you choose the maps. Now the last kind of bit here would be the getting the away team into the round. You simply just click on invite. You can hit invite via battle tag and the captain's tag in League OS. You'll type that in there, hit invite, they'll get the invite, and they'll go from there. So in order to move people around in different teams, you simply just right click them, hit swap to spectators or swap to red team if you need to do so. So if in the event that they have a spectator, simply put them into spectators. So if they're coach or they have a stream account, whatever, you put them into the spectators. And now it's important to ensure that they cannot spectate both sides. In order to do that, you will just right click their name and you'll hit either spectate blue or spectate red only. This will then when the game launches, they will only be able to see their team side. You don't want to give the other team an unfair advantage by giving them open access to spectating. So that's how you'll do that. So if you have any questions, again, just kind of reiterate this through, watch this video multiple times, ask people for help. Again, if you're not sure, the kids are usually a great way to fall back on, because they're usually experts in setting this up. So, and if you still have some issues, again, reach out to any of the IEA admin and we will get that set up for you. Thank you.